Hello everyone, Lingetestile. So, yesterday I've told you the introduction of pronunciation of Tibetan language. So, in this video I'm going to talk about the alphabet. So, in Tibetan language there are 30 letters. So, the 30 letters or the Tibetan alphabet in Tibetan is called Silje Sumju. Silje means consonant. Sumchu means 30. So why you might think why it's not Sumchu Silje? No, it's not even like that. So if we go into grammar, you'll understand it. But still I will explain you a little bit. So in Tibetan language, the adjective comes after the noun because that's why it is Silje Sumju, not Sumju Silje. So 30 consonant, Silje Sumju. And yeah, so before we start this lesson, I want to tell you, if you want to learn how to write it, I have a PDF or a docs file in the description box. So I recommend you to download it and also read it while watching this video, because if you read and listen at the same time, you will get the correct pronunciation. If you are a serious learner, I recommend you to do that. So let's start with the lesson. So, if you have remembered the 3 different sounds that I have told yesterday, which is a, ha, and ha. So a. So we are going to apply this to make it even more clarified that how the sounds work. So the alphabet is divided into 7.5 rows and different types of groups because it has similar pronunciation just like Sanskrit or any other Indian language. So it derived from the Indian script. But the pronunciation is similar, but writing is different. So if you want to know the history of it, please let me know. Please ask me. So let's start. So the first row is 4 letters. So it sounds like this: ka, kha, kha, nga. So ka is a, ka, and kha is ha, kha, kha. You can hear from the sound kha. And kha is ha, kha. I think you know it. And nga. So it's not na. It is not na. So I will try to explain you how to pronounce this sound. If you didn't understand, please let me know. I will try to help you. So nga. Nga it sounds like this. When you say singing in the way, right? Singing on the way. So you say fast, or you can say ring a bell. Ring a bell. So when you say faster, ring a bell, ring a bell. So if you delete R from the ring a bell, you will get ing a bell. And if you delete I from ring a bell, you will got nga bell, nga bell, nga. From that you will pronounce nga. So N and G combination is nga. You need to put your tongue backwards, and when you pronounce ka, you have to say nga. You have to pronounce it with your nose, so you'll get nga. I hope you understand this. Okay, so the next thing is row is the next group. So let's revise the first row again: ka, kha, kha, nga. And next row is cha, ch, cha, chh. Cha is a, Cha is ha. Ha. Cha is ha. Cha, cha, cha. Then the nasal sound is nya. 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 For English speakers, there is a Spanish phrase called nos vemos mañana. So mañana or español. So you got ñ from that, español. And you try to pronounce it like ña, mañana, ña. So, or from the English word news or new. So you read the U from here and you add A to it, so you will get ña. So it is cha, 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 ña. Also, the next one is, the next row is, okay, so I hope you know these rows. Okay, so next row is ta, tha, ta, a, tha, ha, tha, 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 ha, tha, na. Na is very easy. So N, A is na. Ta is Ta, tha is Tha, tha is Dha because it is tha, not the. Tha. I've told you already. So the ah sound, tha. And na. Na is also low tone. Ha, na. And yeah, that's it. So ta, tha, tha, na. Okay, next one is P-A-P-H-A-B-H-A-M-A. So it sounds like this. Pa, 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 ma. So it is pa, not pa for English speakers. Not like that. It is pa, pa, P-A, pa. And pa. Pa is ha, pa is a, pa, ha, pa, pa is a, pa, ma is also ha, ma, M-A is ma, that's the letter, pa, 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 ma. Okay, so the next row is T-S, T-S-H-A, T-S-A, T-S-H-A, D-Z-A-W-A. So it will sound like this. Za, 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 wa. So, za is not cha. No, it's not za. No, it's not cha. So when you say cats, cats, you got the TS sound, cats. So from that you say za. And if you make it ha, so if you add H or A to it, it will become za. Za, 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 DZ, za. So you need to pronounce D plus Z, za, za, and then wa, wa, W-A, wa, as in wow, wa. And the next row is a little bit complicated, but I will explain it to you. And the next row in English transcription is Z-H-A-Z-A-A-H-Y-A. So that is sha, sa, ha, ya. So sha. Sha is not sha. Sha. So sha for shamo. Shamo means hat. Okay, you have learned a word. So sha. Sha is ha. Sha. No need, don't pronounce it like sha. That will become a different letter. So this is sha. Another word with the letter sha is shimi. Shimi means cat. Sha. And sa. Sa. So it's the same thing. Low tone. Sa. For example, sa. Sa means eat. So the letter sa itself means eat. And ha. Ha for oma. Oma. Oma means milk. Ha. So ha letter. I have told you in the previous video, ah, ha and ah. This is the one of the letter. Ah. Okay. So I think you understand perfectly. The next row is, okay, let's revise this row. Sha, sa, ha, ya. Next one is ra, R-A. For the English speakers, it is not ra. Oh God. It is not ra. So for English speakers, you need to remember this perfectly. So ra is the Spanish ere, not erre. It's ere. As in, I didn't get any word, no problem. So ra, right. So in Indian accent, we will say right, not right, right. So that's ra. And la. La is L-A, ra is R-A, la is L-A, la. And don't say la, that is, la is different. La, normal la, that is middle toe. And the next thing is ra, la, sha. So you get sha here, S-H-A, sha. And then sa, S-A, sa. So ra, la, sha, sa. Easy, right? If it is not, I will make it easy for you. Sha, sa, ha, ya. Ra, la, sha, sa. So at last we have only two letters. These two letters are H-A and just A. So ha, a. Easy, right? And yeah, that's it. So the next part of this video is I want to explain about vowels. Vowels means young, so not young. It's young, she. 4 vowels. A is one of the vowel, so it is not counted as a vowel in Tibetan language. So there are 4 symbols for 4 sounds. So vowels are not treated like letter. Vowels are treated like additional symbols. So the first vowel is called kigu. So if we add kigu to any of the sejisumju or any consonant, it will make a e sound. So kakigu ki, kakigu ki, kakigu ki, ngakigu ni. So it will make like that. And next sound is shapkyu. Shapkyu will sound like u. So not English u, you, no. U, you, u. So it is u. A kigu i, a shapkyu u. So if you add kigu, kigu above the letter a, so it will become e. So not a, e. I forgot to tell you about writing. So when you write the vowels are not written next to the consonant. The vowels are written on the top or the bottom of the consonant. So a, kigu is add on the top of the consonant. Shapkyu is add on the bottom of the consonant. Dengpo and naro. Dengpo, another vowel is dengpo. Dengpo, it sounds like a. Dengpo, a. So dengpo. And naro. Naro is o. Naro o. So I told you an example. Oma. Oma means milk. Senge means lion. Shimi means cat. So you know it. Khorlo means wheel. Khorlo. So kigu, shapkyu, dengpo, naro. So kigu is on the top, shapkyu is on the bottom, dengpo is on the top, and naro is also on the top. So these are 4 vowel marks. So if you want to learn how to write them, don't worry, I have it in the PDF, so you can do it. Alright, so let us revise the things. Let's revise the letters with the vowels. So just listen to it, how it sounds like. And you can write by yourself as well, if you want to try. Kaki guki, kashakyuku, kajimboke, kanaroko. Kaki guki, kashakyuku, kajimboke, kanaroko. Kaki guki, kashakyuku, kajimboke, kanaroko. Ngaki gu ni, ngashakyu ngu, ngajimbo nge, nganaro ngo. Chaki uchi, chashakyu chu, chadimbo che, chanaro cho. Chaki uchi, chashakyu chu, chadimbo che, chanaro cho. Taki uti, tashakyu tu, tajimbo te, tanaro to. Taki uti, tashakyu tu, tajimbo te, tanaro to. Taki uti, tashakyu to, tajimbo te, tanaro to. Paki gupi, pashakyu pu, pajimbo pe, panaro po. Paki gupi, pashakyu pu, pajimbo pe, panaro po. Right. Paki gupi, pashakyu pu, pajimbo pe, panaro po. Maki gumi, mashakyu mu, majimbo me, manaro mo. Tsaki gutsi, tsashakyu tsu, tsajimbo tse, tsanaro tso. Tsaki gutsi, tsashakyu tsu, tsajimbo tse, tsanaro tso. Zaki guzi, zashakyu zu, zajimbo tse, zanaro zo. Waki guwi, washakyu wu, wajimbo we, wanaro wo. Shaki gushi, shashakyu shu, shajimbo she, shanaro sho. Saki gusi, sashakyu su, sajimbo se, sanaro so. Haki guhi, hashakyu hu, hajimbo he, anaro wo. Yaki guyi, yashakyu yu, yajimbo ye, yanaro yo. Raki guri, rashakyu ru, rajimbo re, ranaro ro. Laki guli, lashakyu lu, lajimbo le, lanaro lo. Shaki gushi, shashakyu shu, shajimbo she, shanaro sho. Saki gusi, sashakyu su, sajimbo se, sanaro so. Haki guhi, hashakyu hu, hajimbo e, he, hajimbo he, hanaro ho. Aki gu I, ashakyu u, ajimbo e, anaro o. So I think the video is so much long, but if you want to remember the words, I'm going to tell you some examples of some words, and yeah, let's go. Kara. Kara means sugar, and another word for it is kushu. Kushu means apple. Kha means mouth. Khangpa means house. Kha Gelmo means queen. Kapar means where. Ngangpa means duck. Chalak means item, things. Chu means water. Cha means pear. Cha means tea. Jojo means elder brother. Nima means son. Nya means fish. Tala means banana tree. Thap means stove. Thepa means faith. Nangmi means family. Nangpa means Buddhist. Pa Papa. That means father. Pa. Pa. Pama. Pama means parents. Pa. Pa means cow. C-O-W, cow. Pa. Pa naro pota. P. P means Tibet. Ma. Ma. Okay. Mangpo. Mangpo means many. Za. Zizi. Zizi means mouse, rat. Rats a lot come to our houses, you know. Just a funny thing. Zizi mangbodu. Ca. Cawa. Cawa means fever. Okay, so ca means salt. And ca also means hot. So the differences between these two words are sound the same but spelling difference. Ja. Jama. Jama means a pot that is made of clay. Jinta. Jinta means classroom. Jinta. Oh no, not Jinta. Jinkang means classroom. Jinta means class. Wa. Wa. Okay. Washa. Washa. Washa means hat that is made of fox skin. Washa. And sha. Shamo. Shamo means hat. Shimi. Shimi means cat. Sa. Sa means to eat. Sakang means restaurant. Ah. Ah means homa. Homa means milk. Ah for homa. Okay, I'm sorry. Ya. Ya for yama. Yama means sinus, maybe. Okay. Ya. Ya. Okay. Ra. Ra for ra. Ra means goat. Ramo. Mo is the female gender, so female goat. Ramo. La. La. So lakha. Lakha means hill. Hilltop. Top of the hill or mountain. La. Sha. Sha. Sha for she. She means death. I'm sorry I didn't get any word. Sa. Sa for Sangye. Sangye means Buddha. So Tibet is a most popular Buddhist country. So many people are Buddhist over there. So Sa. Sangye. And Sa. Okay, Sa. Sacha. Sacha means place, world. Okay, so another word that starts with the letter za or in the letter za is zamling. Zamling means world. Zamling. And chempo. Chempo means big. Right. Sa. Sacha. Senge. I have already given you the example. That means lion. Senge. Ha. Ha for hello. Hello means not hello. Hello means hollyhock flower. Ah. Ah for ama. Ama means mother. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. And you have learned new words and how to write in this lesson. So, thank you for watching. See you later. So, the word for bye is Kalishu. Yeah, Jelajaryong.